Brendan, you like the tree? That's your very first Christmas tree. Huh? Brendan? 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 Why are you so cute? What are you looking at? The snowflake? You want the snowflake? What do you think? Is that tree real? Is it real? No, it's not. It's not real.
Say thank you to Granny. Hey, Granny. Say thank you. Oh, that's nice. No, he did. He went straight to it. Straight to it.
Is the phone ringing?
No, it.
Yes, yes, yes. I love it. I love it. Oh, that was priceless, Mum. That was priceless.
Makeup.
Oh, dear, that was good. That was good. You can go again, Mum. You can go again.
I've forgotten about it. It's been a long day.
Oh, dear. That's almost as good as Dad walking into the door.
I'll get some adult presents now. Oh no, sorry, Richard.
I've got something on as well.